Bonjour, so here is the recipe, la recette pour la vinaigrette, for the salad dressing. Le poivre, pepper, according to your taste, comme vous voulez. Je mets de la moutarde de Dijon, Dijon mustard. Again, I'm making it for 6 people here, so I'm going to be generous. Again, it depends on how strong you like it. So you might only want a teaspoon. I'm going to go a bit more because there's a few of us. Okay, alors, red wine vinegar. I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons. Comme ça. And double the amount or even triple the amount of olive oil to red wine vinegar. L'huile d'olive, olive oil. I'm going to put in maybe a couple more for good measure, comme ça. Et voilà, c'est fini, that's it. You can add chopped raw garlic, you don't have to. Not everybody digests it very well. You can add a bit of salt, up to you. But definitely add some washed and spun salad. Merci beaucoup, à la prochaine fois.